Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into something super exciting, InstantVidz. If you've ever felt like creating awesome videos for social media was too hard or expensive, then this is for you. InstantVidz is a cool app that makes making vertical videos really easy and fun. So, what's the big deal about InstantVidz? Well, first off, it gives you over 100 templates to play with. Whether you're into fashion, fitness, or even food, there's a template for you. The best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. It's super user-friendly. One of my favorite things about InstantVidz is its built-in video editor. You can change the speed of your video, add text, and even throw in some music. And if you're worried about recording your voice, it has a Vox creator that lets you make voiceovers in different languages and accents. How cool is that? Now, let's talk about how this can help you. Imagine you want to share your favorite recipe on social media. You can use InstantVidz to make a quick, eye-catching video. Use one of the templates, add some music, maybe a voiceover, and boom! You've got a professional-looking video that your friends and followers will love. But that's not all. You can share your videos straight to over 70 social media sites. Plus, if you're looking to make some extra money, you can sell these videos to other people and keep all the cash. No need for fancy gear or hiring someone else to do it. InstantVidz lets you do it all by yourself. So, if you're ready to take your video game to the next level, I highly recommend checking out InstantVidz. I've put a link in the description below where you can get access. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what amazing videos you all create. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips.